So today we will study the most important and most used Unix or shell or terminal command. So in my experience I have found that 90% of the time these are the 5, 6, 10 basic commands that I used, and these will help you day to day. Like 90% of the time you will be using these commands, so it's very easy to get started, and it's good that you understand the meaning of it so that you can be comfortable working with Linux. So uh, basically first command, you once you open the terminal, I'm on Mac, so you can just write terminal and terminal will open, right? For me the terminal is already open. So once you open the terminal, it says desktop, you don't know where you are, or any terminal you don't know, you can just type pwd, which is the present working directory. So it will tell you where you are in the whole file system. Now you want to see in this directory how many files are there, you can just do ls. These are the files, but this just gives an overview, the name of the file. You want to see more details, you do ls minus l, and this gives you more details. So it gives you the permissions of the file, like the number, it's there. If it's directory, there's more than one file, then the who's the owner and with whom it shared, the size, and when it was last updated, and the name of the file. And there are directories also. So you see, directories start with D, number of files in the directory, who's the owner, shared with, is the size, and the total, the last date, and the name of the directory, right? You can do clear to clear this terminal, because I always want to start on the top. Now we'll just create one directory. So simple command to create a directory, mkdir, and basic command line commands. So we'll just put any name. So it's created. Now we have to see, is it created in this directory, right? So here it is. Right now, another important command, uh, how to enter that directory, right? I assume you know the difference between directory and a file. Directory contains files are the individual files. So I'll do cd, I do basic. One good thing is tab. So you press tab, it just completes it for you. So it's very fast. The terminal is used because it's very fast. Otherwise I can always use it on the UI, and also on the server you will not get a UI to use it. So you will have to practice with the command line, and once you are used to it, you will like it so much. It's the user experience, it's so fast that you will stop using the UI. So cdi to enter, which means the change directory. I change the directory. Now if I do pwd, I am in this directory. Okay, I do clear. Now I want to see what are the files in this directory. ls, there is nothing. Of course we created this, ll also shows nothing. So because we just created this directory empty. So we create a simple file, touch, and we say learning terminal dot text. So we'll create a text file. Okay, is it created? Yes, it's created. I want to see the detail, ls minus l, or I can do ll. So it says it's a file, one file, this owner is shared with 0 bytes, because nothing is there, and it was created today, and this is the name of the file. Now if I want to edit this file, I can do vim, right? And I just do vim, and then the vim is an editor which also comes. So I can just say if I do I can insert, I say hello world, right? And then I do escape colon wq, which saves it. Now if I see the size, its size is 12 bytes, right? So I put something. Now the file is there. Now say I want to rename this file, so I have to do move, and the new name, I say renamed, right? The file is renamed, right? So I want to say I want to create another directory inside this, so I can do mkdir, another directory. Oh sorry, director. So I'll just move another directory to another director to another directory. So move is the renaming, right? So now, so I enter the directory cd, I'm there. What are the files in this directory? No file. Okay, so let's copy the file in the before the directory above it, which is the basic command line. So what I do, copy. Before that I'll just show you one thing. So ls will give nothing, but if I do ls minus la, So I get two things. So a minus a is for hidden files. So there are two dot dot and dot, right? There's two things. So dot dot means the directory which is the parent directory of this directory. So if I do cd dot dot, where am I? I am in the basic command line. So the parent directory. So say I want to copy learning this file into this directory, and if I do dot, dot means this, the directory which the present directory, right? So another directory, dot means inside the another directory just copy this file, right? Dot dot means the directory above that. So I'll just do this. What happens, right? Now I do another directory. So this is this file. Earlier there was no file, but this file has been created, right? So this is how you copy the files from one directory to other directory. And to change directory, so cd dot dot is nothing but just directory which is the parent directory, right? Clear always. ls to see what is happening where you are. Another important command is whoami. This is very funny, but it shows you the username. So whoami is delacroix, right? And now we will just do the final commands, the remove commands, and be done with it. So we'll say ls, I'll do cd another directory. So this is, I'll say rm. Now the file is deleted, right? I go back to this. I want to remove the directory. So rm another directory. It does not remove it because it's a directory. You will need another command which is rm minus rf, because recursively you have to remove it. It removes it, right? There's no directory now. Then coming back is dot dot, right? And creating, right? You are here, you do pwd, you can go back and see, right? So yeah, these were the main commands. I'll put all these commands in the comment section. I think the best way is to do it yourself in Linux or Unix or Mac. In command prompt on Windows also the commands remain same. There's a slight of a difference, but yeah, these are the basic commands. Any question, please put in the comment section. Thanks a lot. Keep learning, keep moving ahead.